All say we do with my brother Johnston for so with the one for so many minutes. My brother Johnston.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Congratulations once more for your marriage.
Thank you very much.
You don't look fresh, oh.
I don't know. That make me do am.
Okay. Thank Madam, thank God.
How you assess the general security situation in the state right now?
Thank God my people agree to now. Security for the state don't improve well because we would see for TV. That the security from the security agency different from other security. You get food security, you get human security and other security. For the law enforcement agency, they try from what we see all this smashing to the SF. Very recent, we be like say the Congo, people can go church, Congo rob. But what it can the rain and thief for within area where people they stay. On that one, some area never took good like say where police go fit they drive or other station fit they drive. So for that other area, you know to blame police for that one. You go blame people with the area because now they say rat with the house and they tell rat with the house I say food day. So now there are challenges there.
But you know if you see I did tell my brother if the other day that we don't ripe to see either would impress on people in the House for Assembly, maybe they do law, we go actually establish vigilante, because when you check most of these things when they happen, from the one, if we don't say before foreigner go enter place, you must get collaboration with
insider.
So how long we continue to talk for radio, talk for TV, talk for radio? We not just don't I won't say you two will get just like they get for something like civilian GTF or so like vigilante. Let me say it could do back by law. Most of these local government, we see that they do own small tool vigilante. But like say when this local government chairman come, it could do small, it could come out. When this one come, it could do small. It never reach one person will get something like
that. We get them, but it is scanty for Edo South to decide. For Edo North, the day all the local government, all the traditional rulers, they come together, they come from Edo North vigilante group. For Edo South and scanty ones, like you get the one way they very very effective. If you come to Blue now, they call OPDA. They did very very effective. Recently they don't catch some people. They catch some people, those people they work. Like if you come Blue from night for midnight now, they must stop you where they go where you know they come. For this House of Assembly, you know say now all of their head carry load because the election period now be this, so they not too much think about that one. Just the way that they think, I don't know what influence the way they come bring law come out for this courts. It good make they still think am. But alternatively, this law they bring for courts is good. It's good. I don't know what influence them. We like say maybe they wake up, you get maybe ant will bite them, or maybe you get mosquito will bite them. Where they kind of say or fly will fly into they are here kind of saying okay maybe they do that law. Maybe another kind of question you they ask now. But in the absence of that, for every area, particularly this December time, we could not forget on this recording, a very welcome this way come at the right time. You know, that's why I said that will not be the major topic today. What did we say? Make we remember, we don't experience. Waiting inform the House of Assembly. Very soon, we pray God, make it not happen. Every December, stroke January, it must have work. That is, it go bust again. So now here we go back this security. May they increase their parameter. Then for those who are in the area, we do inside street, which they call it do, you know, make them get the landlords and landladies, make them get their phone number, which they call this WhatsApp chat, so that make you know they make call. If they know say they make call, they'll just say I'm robber the area don't danger, Like for my house street now, we get them. Once you just come, the dogs we did that they know they know say when armed robbers come. So now that man will feel help. Each area now, hold your area in collaboration with the divisional station where it did it. That is the level we take.
You see, the matter, just like you talked just now, the matter when they say concern, the new law when they bring command just for the House of Assembly, the matter when they say yes, we will talk some other time. Because I remember the last time they say you come here with Tony Kabaka, we talk this matter. And after the last time, they're going to bring the matter coming again. So we'll talk about that matter. But just like you talk now when in BC don't they reach time for Christmas, for New Year, Igwe, and the rest, you go see them just like we don't over the years. Court-related activities they increase. You understand? What a person go do now to ensure that this kind of they checkmate them? Will they call you for this kind of matter when they say concern court-related matters? Because we know say you now be the coordinator for Rainbow, and in a way they try to make sure say all these people activities they know how to coordinate them so that they will go
into violence.
So what thing we go do now? So we know we come the year say we done the year say 1 they lead 1-0, now 2-1 now, now 6-1 no. That kind of thing. What thing we will do and what you expect security agents to do?
First, we first beg the parents, landlords and landlady for area. May they talk to their children. May they talk to people with the area. Say, for this Christmas period, this Igwe period, this New Year period, they don't want to hear anything say fight. If any quarrel they try avoid them. Say no verse, no quarrel, no verse.
If we say no verse, and there's I will tell you now we get papa the other one.
No, when you see these people that they listen to elders, you see for street, you get different type of people. Sometimes for street you get police, some street if you get army, some street if you get doctor, some street if you get SSS. SSS now they code pass. You understand me? So that one are for inside. Then for the police security agency, anyone with they here make better immediately. May they not wait. Make the music, make the volume of the music they increase before they act. May they go to that area, sweep that area, sweep them. When you sweep them, all these people you sweep, you see, they will begin to confess here. No, somewhere day. No, not be somewhere. Nah, John and I did. Not be John Ausaro or Emeka.
But before I go, let Apollo take the next question. You tell me the other time, say, and we agree, say, this thing when they call courtesan don't pass everywhere.
It is everywhere.
It is everywhere. You will do for police.
It did.
Okay, now I just say yes, make police go come. But where they come go, they come to say the people where they want to go cops, not their member. How they want to?
Okay, now where you see the level where this commissioner of police they operate now. Not the only power I tell the operator. The OCs where they are around them. Now they give commissioner they come and say now go the cash arm robber. Now the OCs now they deploy people.
Now they talk about so that. So when they deploy, go there, they cause now their members go.
Now here they warn them. I believe saying they listen now. If they warn them, the OCs too go warn their boys where they. Some of them know their boys where they. You get me? Now when there are people, members where they police, where they leak out information, and they not fit to catch them. You get me? Not be say police say them mean.
The OC when they talk about now, it grow from somewhere, can't reach where it is.
Yes.
I would take no say for the beginning, for it grow where they say no day for one. Even commission will be say they talk. Now I would take no say for the beginning, say no can't grow, come become
at a time, you see.
When you don't become commissioner, don't go there again.
You know, status, your status for society, and they reduce your participation in this nocturnal activities. Then I waiting, I don't observe your status. The more people, politicians, the doctors, you know, if you expect many doctors come begin, they follow miscreants, come they sit down. I mean, be talking about now because they go ask commissioner a question. Your guy will. Commissioner still get Oga. They go ask some questions here. Why be saying your state every time? So to avoid that one, because he go still climb higher, make it 5 day clean. So for that 5 to day clean, he go tell them say, look, for this one, you don't want here. Anywhere blow whistle, not let the music loud. If it loud, now you are go hold responsible. That is the only way. Then for the traditional like that, they did good. So I want you to take beg now. This one now one of the most joyous Igwe we want to see all the advertisement. They could join this our Baba. They could celebrate this peacefully.
When you talk say beguna, I will just laugh because we don't beg.
You beg. This that time we dey beg, no king. Now king done the 21 years. So you can't keep am for us 7 years. You see king. Now their beg go still there because that only king not the fit they do everything. Parents beg your children. Osaro. John, see and say what you don't do now. Not draw my leg come out. Not draw my leg come out, I know they go anywhere. You dey get me? That be the king. I know they go anywhere. Then it go come out parents. You see this law, when you say we discount, it go come out parents to say they don't know. They are on 7 years. They go take off. So first of all, make we beg them. You know, say some people they abroad. We never hear of this law. They never make enough announcement for this law. They don't make the law. Very sensitive law. They never make announcement. Now we wait for media, now they make the announcement. Minister of Information, suppose they NACAM, national rotation, supposed to the announcer where we say, look, this time, gear don't change you, level don't change you. You know, this one, the one use they get to spoil their blues now. Now the state me now. So, I beg go day, and that king go day.
Okay, make you advise parents as Igwe and Christmas they come, how people say or coordinate themselves.
I beg, those way for parents, talk to your children, beg them, warn them. Then for we youths, we they very difficult.
Our body dey hot.
Our body dey hot. One beg you, make you take and softly. Say somebody match you, no verse. This one a period for throughout the world. You don't see this kind of thing. Even I went today, they do it that feature, that Maluna, everybody they come together. Everybody agreeing now today happy. Why be saying that you can they put kerosene for inside somebody soup? Make you not be the one way devil go use, because devil go want try use people. Make we try let devil know say this time around for Edo State, it not go be like that. One devil now, they call am youth-type period, they call am beautiful period, they call am happiness period. Make all of us happy. Thank you now. God bless you now.
All right, so maybe this break, the program you watch now, Good Morning from Benin. We'll join you very soon. We'll take a break.